merch, search!
What's up, you guys? Welcome. Life Disney here. We are at the World of Disney. Why, Katie?
Because we are going to give you guys a sneak peek at all the brand new 2018 holiday merchandise.
That's right, and it's also the first look at the entire store finished in its entirety, the whole thing. The last time we were here, it was just the front half, which I called the Southern Hemisphere, I think. Now the Northern Hemisphere is open because it's a world, right? Hemispheres, I don't know, whatever.
It works, it makes sense.
We're gonna go check this out. Two big deals, the store being open and the Christmas merch. Are you kidding me right now?
Let's go,
all right, let's go do this. So the cool thing about the new World of Disney is look at these animated windows, two sets of projections or maybe a permanent element, and then they project all the hearts and the music notes on it. There's the permanent Minnie and Mickey kissing as like an outline, and then they insert the animation. That is cool. But you know what that is, Katie? It's a giant drawing table with a light box, but the light coming from under so they can trace the previous frame. A crowd is gathered, awaiting the opening, the grand reopening of the World of Disney. We wait patiently. How many minutes, Katie? Let's see. How long? Seriously? 1 minute. So we can walk through those doors right there. The media's in there.
We've been waiting for this, like the fully complete World of Disney.
What, like 10 months, right? This has been about 10 months.
And we are so excited about all the Christmas merch. I can't wait.
Yee! The doors are open. Look at this hat, you guys. With the little...
With the small world.
With all the ornaments, and it's Small World, so that's good.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know, but it looks good on me. Look at this year's necklace, and it jingles as well as being the ornament balls. I like that. Christmas ears now.
Yeah.
Whoa, fuzzy.
Aren't they cute? We had those last year, but they're still really cute. Yeah, they're like...
Interesting.
These are new for this year.
Oh.
So I'll be getting those.
Very nice.
They're irresistibly cute.
I like this Mickey Santa hat. That's really cool.
It lights up. I just don't know how.
I trust you. I like this sweatshirt. Look.
Really
Mickey plaid.
Cute. And I love the sparkles on it.
Sparkles.
And then this is the jacket I didn't get last year that I regret every time.
I remember that. Yeah, you were talking a lot about that.
These are the new plaid ears. So they're a little bit more different than last year. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're cute though, and they say merry and bright on the other side, which I think is adorable.
Those are cool.
Yeah, I think they're super cute. The prices did go up for the ears. They're $27.99 now.
Okay.
Look at that. That's cute.
Plaid scarf.
Oh, Spence, you need this. Socks.
Socks in an ornament. You can hang it on the tree.
Cute. Look at 12 days of socks.
Oh my God, 12 days of socks. Are you kidding? I love how they're hanging the ornaments off the antlers.
Your antlers.
Yeah.
kind of ashamed of myself. So, if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit your subscribe button, and when you subscribe, turn on your bell notifications right there so you know every time we upload and when we go live.
Absolutely, and thank you so much for watching Life, Disney, and Beyond. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody!